Looking to upgrade your laundry game? Discover the ultimate selection of the top 5 best washers and dryers of 2023. Say goodbye to the days of tedious laundry routines and welcome efficient, cutting-edge technology into your home. From space-saving designs to innovative features that simplify your life, these appliances redefine how we do laundry. Are you ready to experience a new level of convenience and performance? Join us as we delve into the top washer and dryers of the year. Which one will be your perfect fit? GE Profile Washer and Dryer. Introducing the game-changing 2-in-1 washer and dryer for a revolutionary laundry experience. With the ultra-fast combo, say goodbye to the hassle of transferring clothes between machines and washing and drying a large load in just 2 hours. Thanks to its 4.8 cubic feet capacity, ventless design, and easy installation, this space-saving marvel is designed to fit effortlessly into your laundry room. Not only does it save space, but it also saves energy, boasting 50% greater efficiency compared to standard electric dryers. The adaptive smart dispense technology intelligently dispenses the right amount of detergent and softener for up to 32 loads, while the microban antimicrobial technology keeps your combo fresh and odor-free. And with the Smart HQ app, you can enjoy remote cycle status notifications and access specialty cycles. This appliance is a must-have with a large wash capacity, easy access lint filter system, and de-wrinkling options. Upgrade your laundry routine today with the ultra-fast combo for just $2,777. LG Signature Washer and Dryer. Revolutionize your laundry routine with the LG Signature 2-in-1 Washer and Dryer, a masterpiece of modern technology designed to elevate convenience and efficiency in your home. This unique appliance boasts a Circle LCD in the main washer, granting you effortless control over both washers simultaneously. As an added perk, the system learns your usage patterns, presenting your frequently used cycles with a touch of a button for quick access. The LG Signature 2-in-1 Washer and Dryer goes beyond ordinary machines with its auto-dosing function, which detects laundry soil levels and automatically dispenses the precise amount of detergent needed for an effective clean. Say goodbye to manual dosing and let the washer do the work. Thanks to LG's Smart ThinQ technology, you can remotely manage key features, adding unparalleled convenience to your laundry experience. With a spacious capacity of 2.8 cubic feet, this appliance lets you tackle large loads with ease. The Turbo Wash 2.0 technology ensures faster and more efficient washing, making laundry day a breeze. The ventless design allows for flexible installation options, making it a perfect fit for any laundry room. The Neverest stainless steel drum ensures durability and longevity, while steam technology adds a touch of luxury to your laundry routine. Powered by an inverter direct drive motor, this front-loading wonder boasts a maximum of 1,600 revolutions per minute, delivering potent yet gentle washing performance. The range of programs, soil levels, and water temperatures allow for customizable washing, ensuring your clothes receive the care they deserve. The LG Signature 2-in-1 Washer and Dryer is not just about advanced technology. It also offers a stunning design with a sleek glass touch control panel and black tinted glass door cover, adding a touch of sophistication to your laundry area. Energy monitoring, remote start, and ThinQ technology with proactive customer care are some of the intelligent features that make this appliance truly cutting-edge. Monitor your energy usage, start cycles remotely, and enjoy peace of mind with proactive customer care alerts. Elevate your laundry experience to a new level with the LG Signature 2-in-1 Washer and Dryer, now available for $3,199. Samsung WF8900B and DV8900B. Introducing the cutting-edge laundry dough from Samsung, reimagining how you do laundry. First, the Samsung washer is a laundry masterpiece with a bespoke design that seamlessly fits into any interior. Its clean, flat panel look enhances the aesthetics of your space, and the flexibility to stack it with the stacking kit or install it side by side ensures a perfect fit for your laundry room. With an impressive 5.3 cubic feet ultra capacity, the Samsung washer can handle larger loads, reducing the number of cycles and saving you valuable time. The AI OptiWash trademark feature takes the guesswork out of laundry by automatically adjusting wash time, sensing soil levels, and adding detergent as needed during the cycle, providing you with a worry-free wash. Experience effortless laundry with the auto dispense system, storing and dispensing detergent for up to 32 loads. Super Speed 2.0 Wash is a full load in 28 minutes, completing wash and dry in under an hour when paired with the Super Speed dryer. With the SmartThen app, you can have control in the palm of your hand, receiving end-of-cycle alerts, scheduling cycles, and remotely starting and stopping your washer. Next, meet the Samsung dryer, a perfect companion to the washer, featuring a 7.6 cubic feet ultra capacity that fits more in a single load. Sensor Dry optimizes drying time and temperature to protect clothes from heat damage and conserve energy. Multi-Control trademark allows convenient control from the stacked washer. Steam Sanitize Plus eliminates 95% of pollen, and Multi-Steam refreshes clothes and relaxes wrinkles. The Vibration Reduction technology, Plus technology reduces noise, providing a quiet laundry experience. Experience the convenience of the lint filter indicator, vent sensor, internal drum light, and reversible door for added flexibility. Take advantage of the opportunity to enhance your laundry experience with these state-of-the-art appliances, available for $1,499.99 for the washer and $1,399.99 for the dryer. LG WashTower WKGX201HBA. Introducing the game-changing LG WashTower, a laundry marvel that redefines convenience and efficiency. With a 4.5 cubic feet washer and a 7.4 cubic feet dryer, this dynamic duo packs powerful performance into a compact package. Tired of long laundry sessions? Power through larger loads in less than 30 minutes, thanks to 5 jets with variable sprays delivering a complete clean. The Turbo Steam technology in the dryer refreshes clothes between washes and works wonders in sanitizing children's toys, decorative pillows, and more. Say goodbye to common household allergens clinging to your wardrobe. The Allergen Wash cycle uses steam to remove up to 95% of allergens like dust, pet dander, and pollen, providing a cleaner and healthier laundry experience. Embrace an no-fuss laundry routine with built-in sensors that use AI technology to detect fabric texture and load size. The washer and dryer customize wash motions, drying temperatures, and more for advanced fabric care. No need to sort or choose cycles, let the LG WashTower handle it all. With 4 adjustable legs, a 4-tray dispenser, and convenient features like auto suds removal, child lock, drum light, and more, laundry has never been this effortless. The True Balance anti-vibration system ensures a quieter operation, while the venting option provides installation flexibility. Its AIDD and AI sensor dry technologies further optimize performance, while the Steam technology and Turbo Wash 2.0 enhance cleaning power. Get the convenience of a full-touch electronic control panel with LED display, hard buttons, and Smart Diagnosis v3.0 for easy operation and troubleshooting. Plus, enjoy the benefits of Wi-Fi connectivity with remote start and cycle monitoring. The LG WashTower is part of the LG Studio series, designed to bring innovation and style to your home. Priced at $1,998.99, this laundry powerhouse is an investment in efficiency and convenience that will revolutionize your laundry routine. Say hello to a new era of laundry simplicity. Samsung WW9400B and DV9400B. The washer features AI eco-bubble technology that allows more effective washing with bubbles at cooler temperatures. It also offers AI wash, ensuring thorough cleaning with less water and detergent based on an AI algorithm. The Space Max design enhances homes with a massive 11 kilograms capacity while maintaining a standard 600mm cabinet size. On the other hand, the dryer boasts an impressive A+++ energy efficiency rating, utilizing heat pump technology for energy and cost savings. LiDry enables faster and more precise drying through its multi-sensing technology, reducing energy use by 10%. Quick Drive trademark further accelerates drying time by 35%, while the inverter compressor technology adapts speed based on the internal temperature. Both washer and dryer can be controlled intelligently with AI control, which offers personalized washing and timely information, while the SmartThings Home feature allows easy management through the app. For hygiene care, the washing machine employs hygiene steam, eliminating 99.9% of bacteria from clothes and other items. The reversible door in the dryer allows for flexible installation according to the home layout. Wrinkle Prevent keeps dried clothes wrinkle-free without ironing, while Auto Dispense automatically provides the right amount of detergent and fabric softener for each load. Overall, these appliances offer advanced features, intelligent control, and energy efficiency, making laundry a breeze and ensuring garments come out fresh, clean, and well cared for. The price for the washer is $1,399.99, and the price for the dryer is $850.52. In conclusion, the top 5 best washers and dryers in 2023 offer cutting-edge technology, energy efficiency, and convenient features to streamline your laundry routine. The AI EcoBubble technology, AI Wash, and Space Max design of the washers provide effective cleaning, water, and detergent savings and ample capacity for larger loads. Now, it is your turn. We want to hear from you. Which one of these top 5 best washers and dryers of 2023 would you choose and why? Are you drawn to the energy-saving capabilities, larger capacities, or the convenience of intelligent control? Share your preferences and reasons with us, and let's discuss the best fit for your laundry needs.